To turn off or turn on the demo mode on a Bauknecht washing machine, you need to do the following. With the appliance off, hold down the Start Pause button for 5 to 10 seconds until a beep is heard. Then, when you turn on the appliance, the demo mode indicator will flash several times and then go out.